Hey everyone! Today we're learning 5 words that'll make you sound super smart, but don't worry, they're actually pretty easy to use. No need to sound like you swallowed a dictionary. Word number 1. Ambivalent. Imagine you're invited to a movie night, but you're not sure if you want to go or not. You kind of do, kind of don't. That's being ambivalent, meaning having mixed feelings about something, neither really for it nor against it. Moving on to word number 2. Derogatory. Imagine someone making fun of your outfit in a rude and insulting way. Those comments are derogatory, meaning they express disapproval or criticism in a disrespectful way. Remember, it's cool to have your own style, but always treat others with kindness. All right, word number 3, flippant. Imagine someone cracking a joke during a serious conversation, like laughing off a bad situation. That joke is flippant, meaning treated with a lack of seriousness or care. There's a time and place for humor, but sometimes it's better to be respectful of the situation. Feeling a little winded after flexing your brain muscles? Take a quick water break. Now imagine a building that's huge and incredibly impressive, with fancy decorations and a massive presence. That building is grandiose, meaning very grand, impressive, or elaborate. A simple treehouse would not be considered grandiose, would it? Last word, astute. Picture yourself solving a tricky puzzle with ease. That's being astute, meaning intelligent and having good judgment. So next time you impress everyone with your problem-solving skills, you can say, "I guess I'm just an astute individual." So there you have it. 5 new words to add some flavor to your conversations. Remember, using new vocabulary is a fun way to learn and express yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment, but don't get too cumbersome with it. Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.